it's the weekend today and it's almost 1:50 p.m. that I haven't even taken my breakfast or lunch yet, so come with me to go get McDonald's. I'm ready. I'm really sitting at the corner of the McDonald's, and it's so funny. Like, I'm being hit by the sun, but who cares? I just want some privacy. I really love McDonald's chicken actually. I know they do have Big Mac and stuff, but I'm not really into beef, so I love their McChicken. So I was just having a bite of my sandwich and I thought there was someone standing right like this side of me and just keep watching me. So I thought it was like kind of weird. And then I turned, let me show you. She was kind of staring at me.